Check this out, we are going old school Hobby King Bix 3 with new school DJI Vista. How long it take you knock this up then, Phil?
To convert it from analog to DJI, about 2.5 hours this morning. I've never done it before on anything, not even a quadcopter, but straightforward. Update firmware, software, what have you, and stick it all together and test it. It's fine.
Awesome. So the question is, will you let me have a go? So, gonna go for a takeoff, yeah? Let's go. We are airborne. Nice. This is my first DJI HD FPV flight with fixed wing. Wow, this is special. We are a little bit spoilt today with the weather. It's not that windy. Phil's flying with his quad. Yeah, it's just getting knocked a little bit, isn't it, by the breeze, but
just
nothing.
A little bit to tell you what's going on.
Nothing too bad. You get me in shot okay, Phil?
Beautiful.
Nice.
It's much steadier to follow, it's easier.
Yeah, I mean, it's a stable plane, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, gonna go for a turn. It is a beautiful flying plane, this. Well done, Josh Bixler, if you're still involved with this thing. Don't know if that's the case. I am flying with Spectrum though, so we are team failsafe. Have to make sure I don't go too far out.
We have done range testing.
We have. A little bit of a vibration of the prop there as it comes down lower, but nothing too bad. Oh, this is just brilliant. You could sit here all day like this. Well, you couldn't for 8 minutes, but you know what I mean. It's like looking over the nose of a real plane. Let's get a bit of height on. Nice roll. Did you say there was no rudder on this one, Phil?
There is. There's not a lot of it, but just yank it over if you need it. But when you go inverted, really banks and downstick in.
Yeah.
Just watch your horizon bounce up and down. That'll tell you. That's better.
Beautiful. Just look at those clouds up there. I'm a bit too high for the quad, am I, Phil?
No, I just went right underneath it. Beautiful.
Wow.
Its flying speed's so much more stable than the other sport planes. You can really just learn to cruise behind it nicely.
This just opens up a whole new thing again, doesn't it?
Yeah. More fun. Lost you.
Oh, sorry. I should have warned you.
White cross in the sky.
I'm just doing aerobatics here, don't mind me. Do you reckon a loop? It can do a loop, or is it?
Yeah, full power, nose down, then breathe back.
Oh, easy.
Most of that, cool.
Easy. Easy. Right, so we need head tracking now.
Yeah,
we need GPS, we need iNav. If I put a video up with this on it, that's what the comments are going to be saying. iNav, GPS. What's the other one? Crossfire, so that it can go long range. Yeah, we've tested this one out to that corner of the field, and when I say tested, it basically fail-safed in that corner of the field.
I crashed last year. I know the range.
He knows the limits of this one. Now there's a little nose gap in my DJI goggles, and I can see the timer, 2 minutes 39. A little bit of a nose dive there, a little bit of a spin. Gonna try come low for the last couple of minutes. Big nosedive. Yeah, there's a vibration on the prop on...
Yeah, the propeller's mounted quite a way off the motor.
Right.
A long motor shaft and then a long prop adapter.
I guess that's just something you get used to though. Maybe even balance the props or...
Yeah, make an effort with it.
Yeah. It's just that. Oh, there's a quadcopter just... Let me come after you.
I can see you.
Right. Let's go between these trees. And then we'll come in for a landing, I think. Yeah, just there with the prop. Oh, no, we can't turn like a quadcopter. There we go, I done it, I done it! Oh, kick a wind there. Okay, I'm going to attempt a landing. I have no idea what it's going to be like. 1 minute 14, does that sound about right? Do you reckon it needs a landing, Phil, or is it alright?
Sure, I'm knocking battery time too.
Okay. Okay. First HD FPV landing. Coming up. Sort of. Tell me how much up I need to put in, Phil. Oh, more than that, I guess. There we go, I think I did it. I think I did it. Let's taxi back to me. Give the camera a wave. That was awesome.